So if you want to expedite working on different sizes in your banners or in your design in Illustrator, you need to use a clip mask. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay. So purposes of clip mask, we can start on the resizing factor. And I believe that is super important when you create, like super helpful rather, when you are creating different sizes of banners. So as an example, this is the picture that we have, and then let's say I have like a picture for, I would say, okay, so we can come up with two artboards here. We can come up with two artboards. So let's just add more and click create. And we have these artboards in here. Now I want different sizes of artboards. Maybe this one is rectangle, and then this one is a little bit like horizontal rectangle. And then in here, like if we get these images, so I'm gonna grab these images, pull it over there. You'll see that like the images are overlapping to each other, okay? And if you want that to be really, I mean, if you want to make things super clean, like this is not advisable. And if you like adjust this one, the layout or the picture will be stretch out as well. So how you can clean this one using a clipping mask. So I'm gonna move that first at the outer part of the artboard, and then we will draw a rectangle version of a, like, I'm gonna trace the artboard size in here. Okay. And then once you already have the size here, you'll see that um, there is a rectangle path that added into the layer. I would also suggest that we group that one so it's cleaner. So I'm going to group them. So we have this artboard um, 2. Okay, 2. Okay, so once you already group that, I'm gonna click object and then click the, first you need to click the empty white rectangle, and then object, and then go into the compound path. Okay, so you need to make this as a compound path. So click that. So once it's already converted into compound path, we can then click this. I'm gonna move that one there. To click this, and then again, objects, and then click the clipping mask and click make clipping mask. Oh, sorry. You need to select both. So this should be the right one, and this one should be the right image. Okay, so you need to select both images first, and then you need to highlight. So control, select everything. So you see that it is already highlighted. So click the object and click the clipping mask and click make. So as you notice in here, like the empty, like the pictures that overlap, or the part of the pictures that overlapping the artwork is already hidden. You can also adjust it like accordingly. It's also like possible for you to do that without breaking your um layout. Okay, and then we'll do the same in here. I'm gonna like add another thing there. Okay, and then we'll put this one here. Yeah. Oh, hold on. So this one, I'm gonna copy this. Is this the right one? Okay. So we will add another clipping mask. I'm gonna move that over there, maybe. Okay. And then there's already a clipping mask that we, rectangle shape that we added. So we need to convert that as, it's not working. Hold on. So we need to convert this to select first object, compound, and make it compound path, and then select the two images, and then make it clipping mask. Then clip. Okay, why it's not working? Object, compound, and make, and then this one, both this object Clipping mask, make. So you see here, and we can always adjust the picture without breaking the like the images. You can always adjust this design like that. And then the other thing that you can use as well in clipping mask, let me add another artboard in here, and we'll grab I'm gonna grab this picture. Let's duplicate that and put it over there. Okay, and then we will add another. I'm gonna add this is the picture. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the artboard. So this is our artboard one and another artboard two. Okay. What I also like in the clipping mask is you can be so creative. Like, let me just, I'm gonna clean this up. Let's move it down. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna move it down so we can concentrate on the, it's not working. Anyway, so here. So what I really like about the clipping mask as well is you can be so creative. Like I can add, let's just use the polygon tool here and just add different sizes of polygons here. Like, okay, different branches of polygon rather. Okay. Okay, so let's say we're really good in that. Okay, we're really good in that as an example. Let me add another one here so it looks even. Okay, so already have this, and then we can select everything here and then add another object. No, convert this into compound path, and then the process is still the same. We can just um, copy everything or highlight everything, and then objects, and then clip mask. And if you see here, like it's already like even, like the part of the images are hidden, and then you can always like adjust that if you prefer to do so. Like, okay, let's do that. Then here, maybe I can just move it. Yeah. So if I move it like that, I mean, the graphics or these polygons are still there, but basically we're just moving the picture in here. So that's it. Yeah, there's still a lot of ways that you can do in clipping mask. I hope you leverage that one in Illustrator. And if you have any question or concerns, don't forget to send me a message or leave a comment down below. Thank you.